Welcome to SR Designs, right here in the vibrant city of Kolkata. Step into our workstation, where creativity, skill, and passion come together. This is where ideas are transformed into reality, through the hands of skilled craftsmen who take pride in every detail. Every project at SR Designs reflects years of experience and meticulous attention to detail. From the first cut to the final polish, every step is handled with care and precision. Here, no detail is too small, and every creation is treated as a masterpiece. Quality is the foundation of everything we do. Every joint, every finish, every edge is perfected to ensure lasting strength and durability. What we craft isn't just built to look good, it's built to stand the test of time. At SR Designs, craftsmanship is more than skill. It's passion. It's the dedication, experience, and care that give life to every project. Every creation reflects our commitment to precision, quality, and excellence. Whether it's a large-scale project or a custom creation, you can trust SR Designs for work that is strong, enduring, and impeccably executed. SR Designs, where craftsmanship meets quality and durability is guaranteed.